Hi everyone. In our previous session, we have learned how to make queries using GlideQuery and different methods like select one, for each, etc. So in this video, we will learn how to create records using GlideQuery. For that, I'm taking incident table as an example today. So let us create a record in the incident table using GlideQuery. And we have to provide some data, like we have to give some field details. So I will create a record uh, while with providing details such as short description, state, and for that we need to do some server scripting. So let's open background scripts. So let us create a record using GlideQuery. For that we need to write. First we have to take a variable. I'm taking inc as I'm creating record in incident table. So we need to write inc is equals to new GlideQuery of here the table name in which we are creating the record. And here we have a method dot insert which will create a new record as we use it to use initialize gr.initialize in glide record. Here we are using dot insert, and here we have to provide a JSON object, JavaScript object here. So here we can insert the details, which fields we are going to create. So I am taking short description first. So I'll provide short description as record created using glide query. And the second parameter I'm using here is state. As in progress, I'll give 2. 2 is the value of in progress state. Then let's run this and see. Make sure no spelling mistakes in the script. So when you execute, a record is inserted in the incident table. Just go back to incident, just refresh and check. As you can see, record created using glide query, the same message which we have given in the script. So that record is created with the state as in progress, as we have provided state in progress here. You can also print the data which we have created, like the unique value always carries, glide query always carries the unique value of that particular record where we are querying or creating or updating records. So you can use dot get to return the records sysID which have been created. So we can print that. So let's write gs.print of JSON dot stringify of the glide query object we have used. So when you try to print this, a new record will be created with this sysID. So now you can find 2 records created with the same short description. This is the previous one and this is the new one. I'll just show you again changing the short description. So I'm just giving here as 2. So when you execute this, and you can search it with using sysID2. So just apply a filter. SysID is this. See, you can see record created 2 as which you have given in the glide query script. So this way you can insert records. So in our upcoming video, we'll learn how to insert records based on use cases using business rules, etc. So keep watching. Thank you.